outside because it's cold. Oh, there's 3 of them. So one of them's gotta be.
One guy's gonna be like hanging on the door,
Yeah.
but you can't hang on the
But I
back.
still could hang on the back
Yeah,
on the opposite side.
yeah. One's gonna be hanging on the door because he's gonna jump off.
He might hang on the back, so I might have to hang on the door, which is going to be dangerous.
And dangerous.
Why are you recording? You gonna record me doing this?
Yeah.
Oh, it's cold.
I know it's cold. I decided to wear gray ass shorts. And these are
Gray
the.
and red does not match.
I don't give a fuck. It's like silver Deadpool. Oh, they're all getting in the car.
Me and yours.
They're all getting in the car.
Let's go. I can actually. Okay, hold my phone. Okay, bro.
Holy fuck.
Okay,
You're
I'm
gonna
not
actually.
gonna jump on it. Which way are they going? Left or right? Left or right?
This way. They're going. Check. Look at the blinker.
Which blinker?
Look at the.
Wheel.
Oh, they're going that way. Go, bro. Go, try. That bitch won in it too late. He didn't want full speed, so he couldn't make it.